Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2025, 23 April, shift first. In the given circuit, the sliding contact is pulled outwards such that the electric current in circuit changes at the rate of 8 ampere per second. So here change in current di upon dt is given to us 8 ampere per second at instant when R is 12, R is given 12 ohm. The value of the current in the circuit will be, so I is asked in the circuit. Here L is given to us 3 Henry and voltage of battery is 12 volt. So let current I is flowing in this, and here a EMF is generated, which is E equal to minus L di over dt. So L is 3 and di over dt is given to us 8, therefore it's minus 24. We take its magnitude, it is 24 volt. Okay, so total voltage of circuit is equal to 12 plus 24, 12 from here and 24 EMF generated, that is 36 volt, and that is equal to V equal to IR. So this is 36 and I is asked and R is given to us 12. So 12 3s are 36. I equal to 3 ampere current flowing in the circuits. Therefore 3 is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.